really happened. That really happened to June, and then June had to come crawl out of that hole. You've ever seen that picture of that guy mining for diamonds? I'm about to crash out and be the bro that just left. No, I'm about to keep on mining. Today we're going full hustle mode. I got to go do a sample for a wall wrap, and we're gonna go do a TV menu. So we're working with a bunch of restaurant owners today. So I'm gonna load up the truck, I'm gonna load up my Rey, and we are gonna go head out, do a sample. I got my sample of the material. It's a special canvas material, and we're gonna go meet up with the client. So I'm gonna take you firsthand on what it takes to, one, get with the client, two, make sure that they get exactly what they need for the restaurant, and then we're gonna run back over here, and we have to set up for a full wrap for a truck. And the thing with the truck was that originally was a half wrap, but it ended up, the guy just called me this morning and said switch it to a full wrap, so now I have to change everything around. Anyway, that's too much talking. Let's go. Hola. Rey Signs. GA @gmail.
Le di pasando lo gris para un poquito para arriba.
Ok.
O no sé cómo lo contemplaste tú.
Sí, está bien.
Las manchitas rojas que están ahí. ¿O dónde lo pusiste tú?
Con las medidas que me dio es donde...
Déjame mejor bajar mi metro, espérame.
Huh? Oh, right now I'm cleaning the wall because I'm going to put a test swatch on here. But whenever we install a wall wrap, we have to clean the wall. We have to prep it because otherwise you're sticking it onto like dust, dirt, things like that. So even if it's just a sample piece, I want to see how long it lasts. Solo quiero que asegurarme que sí, que amarre bien.
Sí, sí, está bien. En lo que yo te decía es que esos que pusieron ahí, mira, y los del baño, le hicieron con un pegamento especial.
Sí.
Pero si tú dices que se va a pegar, yo no tengo ningún problema. Pero el material está bien, ¿no? Sí. Me parece igualito a
la textura.
Sí, entonces está casi mal.
Ok. Sí, es que es una marca diferente con esta textura, entonces quiero asegurar porque hay dos tipos de pegol, pero ese es el más alto. Ok. So,
otra, una vez que estás aquí, Jun, si quieres ver más o menos el tono, los tonos, tú que eres diseñadora también, que veas más o menos los colores.
Ok. Y el otro está en el baño, ¿verdad? El que quieren copiar.
Sí, sí, pero básicamente es como este.
Testing wall wraps, it's the same as car wraps. There's a direction in which it prints. There's a horizontal way, which is this one that I'm testing, and this is the vertical way. So you can do the design either way, but sometimes the adhesives are meant for different things. You see that? That's also a thing. Make sure it doesn't peel off paint. I will check on that once I get there to see if it's possible today. All right, now we gotta head back to the office. Empty-handed, depressed, sad, lonely. Might have to break Rey's leg again. We worked on that a little bit later on today. He just wasn't there right now.
I know, but you gotta shout out the sponsors of this video.
Sponsor of the video.
I don't know.
We don't have a sponsor.
All right, well, we could have a sponsor. Tell us to sponsor us.
If they want to
Wait.
sponsor us, we'll take NordVPN, we'll take Squarespace, we'll take your mom, we'll take anybody as a sponsor at this point. One of our clients was not there yet, which is unfortunate because we were literally like 4 minutes away from his store from the first stop. Which is fine though, he's a good customer. So I'll just come back a little bit. Right now we are back at the shop and we are going to be working on that truck wrap. We are going to be setting up a bunch of other stuff. I'm going to give this guy another estimate for these flyers. He originally didn't get these flyers, but now he wants them, so we're going to do that. We're going to do the wall wrap changes, and I think and then I'm just going to send out a bunch of estimates. That's the type of day we're doing today. But we do have a bunch of stuff in production: banners, prints. We're gonna have like 2 clients stop by, or they might have stopped by already. So let's go into the shop and see what's going on there. We are finally at Don Danny's. I've been literally going back and forth with them all day to try to meet up. We are gonna show them the TV menu that I have designed for them, and we're gonna make a couple of changes on the spot. We're gonna just run it quickly so we can, 1, get paid, and 2, so they can actually have a good, nice looking menu. We did some cool graphics, so let's just stop talking about it and get to it.
Yo te iba a enseñar. I followed this guy. ¿Qué tanto lo vamos a cambiar?
Okay, el breakfast special.
El breakfast special, ese está bien, 15, ponlo 15.99.
All right. I'm recording because I'm making more YouTube videos.
Oh, okay.
So you'll be on YouTube. I'll give you a shout out.
Man, you should have told me I would have went and got makeup.
Yeah, the makeup getting cute.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Gonna be like, my train of thought is how many TVs you have? The baby. El baby. El baby.
Se parece a mí, ¿verdad? ¿Qué fue? Dile hola.
Ese
Mira, se le queda
camarógrafo.
viendo a él.
A la cámara.
Hace uñas,
Es lo que te está diciendo.
¿Pero dónde? ¿En su casa?
Yeah, for real though.
Ponle una oficina ahí en el taller.
Oh yeah, she could do it there.
Se estresa mucho.
No la quiere ver.
No la quiere tener.
You want like short clips? Yeah, like 10 seconds.
The control remote one on there.
¿Te puedes poner dos?
Yeah, you can put one. See, I mean, we could put the logo y ponerle open, or like, you know how hot and like the hot and ready, the Krispy Kreme has the, like, when the sign is on, people go. You could turn the menu, and then I'll get you everything else. Like, I'll get you quoted for this and that, and get it moving.
Okay.
Yeah, this year I'm focusing more on like me doing the sales instead of doing the work, because yeah. I'm tired of doing the work, and the sales is just too much for one person. Like,
Yeah.
yeah,
And that's good that you.
I was digging holes. I was digging holes, bro. I'm not.
Man, you should have called me.
Yeah, I should have called
Could
you.
have done it ASAP, you know?
Yeah, but we were just in a.
No, that's good though. And now you know what you guys go through.
Yeah. I know. I've been known. I don't want to know no more.
Alright, thank you guys.
All right, so I'm June with Rey Signs, and we are closing out today. And we have done a lot of running around and talking to clients. And I don't know if you guys saw me in the office, but we've been sending out estimates like crazy. But that is the grind. And this is just a day-to-day with June. You didn't see me make any signs, but is it. Make sure you follow us, subscribe, and that is what we have to do